ज्ञान और विज्ञान का जे घोष चारों ओर हो, विश्वविद्यालय गुरु जम्भेश्वर सिरमौर हो, सिरमौर हो। इस हरित भूमि से जन्मी सभ्यता और संस्कृति, कर्म के पथ पर नमः सरस्वती की संतति।
सृजना कौशल कला और खेल का संगम यहाँ, चेतना चिंतन मनन का हो रहा उद्गम यहाँ। शोध के विस्तार का अपनाना कोई छोड़ो,
ज्ञान और विज्ञान का जय घोष चारों ओर हो, विश्वविद्यालय गुरु जम्भेश्वर सिरमौर हो, सिरमौर हो। प्रज्ञा पर संपूर्ण हो, विद्यार्थी निर्भय सदा, सर्वहित में हो समर्पित राष्ट्र की संपदा।
हर शिखर अपना शिखर हो, ये सतत प्रयास हो, जीत हो निश्चित सदा, बस ये प्रबल विश्वास हो। मुश्किलों के सामने ना हौसला
ज्ञान और विज्ञान का जय घोष चारों ओर हो, विश्वविद्यालय गुरु जम्भेश्वर सिरमौर हो, सिरमौर हो, सिरमौर हो, सिरमौर हो।
And programs. Professor Vasant has conducted several management development programs and case workshop at management school. He has run many FDPs on teaching with simulations in India and at Ali Board College of Business, Michigan State University. Professor Vasant has been an associate editor for Emerald Emerging Markets case study since 2015. He has been associated with University of Germany and visiting faculty at SPJC Dubai. He has served as a co-chair Global Impact Council, Microeconomics of Competitiveness Network, Institute for Strategy and Competitiveness, Harvard Business School, Boston. Prior to coming to SPGIMR, Professor Vasant spent 15 years in corporate and investment banking with ING Bank, HSBC, Citibank, etc. So, sir, I welcome you in this workshop. And our second aspect is Professor Ramkumar Kakani, who will join us online for this workshop. So, Ramkumar Kakani is on deputation from IIM Kozhikode and as a director and professor at IIM Raipur, and a governing council member of AIMS Raipur. Earlier, Ram was faculty at LBS NAA Missouri and XLRI Jamshedpur. Abroad, Professor Ram worked as an academic in Denmark, Nigeria, Singapore and UAE. Professor Ram has co-authored books with publishers ranging from Cambridge, SAYS and McGraw-Hill and so on. In the last one decade, Professor Ram has moved towards the leadership and governance domains to explore socially impactful initiatives aimed at public administration, including holding a director position of a registered society, Government of India, National Center for Leadership Development and Competency Assessment. We also welcome, although he may be online after some time. So I welcome you all. I hope we will gain a lot from your expertise in this workshop. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Guest, dean, directors, chairperson, and senior faculty members of HSB and other departments of the university, workshop participants, and dear colleagues. If someone asks me what is one most important thing I have learned during my tenure at LBS Academy, then I would say this was learning and teaching with case method. This first encounter with case method, the magic of case method, happened when I was doing faculty development program at IIM Ahmedabad. And I realized that this is one method which can help everyone, anyone, to learn the practical aspect of any field. So today, I'm so excited today that we have this opportunity to hold this workshop on case method at our university. So nowadays, various subject disciplines, they use like case method, disciplines like law, management, economics, psychology, sociology, and public administration. They make full use of case method in their teaching. In case method, students are exposed to real world scenarios, real world situations, and the challenges which are there in these kind of situations. They learn the practical application of theories which are learned in the sessions. When students read the case material ahead of time and prioritize the information and skim through the information, they learn various meta skills which are very important. So one of the meta skills they learn from the case method, that is the importance of preparation. So they read the case material before coming to the session. They discuss in smaller groups before coming for the main class. So this makes them understand that it is so important in today's scenario when there is information overload. So everyone should know what information we should focus on, what we should kind of skim through and leave aside, and where we should put our attention. So this discernment, this comes when students, they use the case method and they learn that in the entire case, what is the most important key issue which we should focus. So like we have already given a pre-read to everyone. So the entire case, you have to see what are the important points where we need to focus and we need to discuss about and learn from. So this ability also it is gained through case method. One thing which I learned during my teaching is that students who come from various backgrounds, like education background, their family background, and their subject, so they see the case from that lens. Like for example, if I am using any case in the class, the finance student, they will see the case from the financial angle. But this is a kind of bias, I will say. Like as a manager or as any responsible person in any job, we need to move away from this bias of seeing the situation from various point of view rather than one point of view. So the case method helps the students to learn that they are able to see any situation from different point of view. Another thing which case method helps students is collaboration. So typically in any institute where this case method is being used, so they give the case prior, like we shared the case with you, and they discuss this case in the smaller groups. Then smaller group, they will discuss before coming to the class, they will make a team and discuss and come up with some kind of solution and then come to the main classroom. So this ability to collaborate and the importance of collaboration, this starts happening between the students. So like any teamwork, any sport, this practice of working with each other, this happens when we use the case method. And lastly, I would like to share that this case method, when we ask the participant to take role of protagonist. So we, as a teacher, we are kind of exposing the student to various uncertainties. We are making them stress themselves to the situation where their present experience is not there. Right? So we are making them CEO of some organization. We are making them maybe CFO of some organization. So this kind of responsibilities when they do, and these are some of the cases are real life cases, and they understand that they are taking the role of such a big organization, such a big team, and they try to understand their nuances. They try to understand the difficulty of the particular situation. This helps the student to gain a certain kind of confidence that yes, they can also handle these kind of situation in future. So this ability, I'll say this meta skills, it is not that only case method can teach them. This can come from the real life experience also. But for that, student has to wait to come to the work life and start learning. So this case method.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मुझे दो चीज़ें चाहिए पहली चीज़ ये कि आई वांट टू बी अथॉरिटी ऑफ द तो आई getting the work done from people. Sir, I have been working in the corporate I think every I will talk to my manager. So if that authority is that.